What's up, guys? We're gonna discuss the top 10 guards in Philippine collegiate basketball. Again, guards, hindi point guards, hindi shooting
Ah,
guards. It's a
just
collective.
guard.
Pag-uusapan namin ni Mario yung top 10 guards. So, napakahirap nito kasi alam naman natin, Pilipinas, maraming mga talented, you know, mga
Guards.
minions or
Yeah.
mga guards we like, mga point guard, shooting guards. So, it really took me a while. It really took Mario a while to compile this list. I'm sure may maiiwan kaming favorite player ninyo. So, pwede nyo comment below who should have been included. Or you could comment your top 10 list, your own personal list.
Pero kung yung listahan, kung nang bash kayo kasi wala kaming forward sa list, magagalit namin yan, man.
Bakit wala dyan si
Kakasama lang
Mason
namin kayo.
Amos?
Ba't
Si
wala,
Mason
ba't wala
forward!
si Mike Phillips? Come on, man.
Skinip mo ba yung intro? Skinip mo ba yung intro?
This is my point. Don't
Sinabi ko
skip
sa
those
first 5
intros,
seconds,
guys.
ah. Okay, anyway, wait lang, share ko lang yung screen ko. Oh, parang meeting, no? Let me share my screen over here. Ayan. Yung, for those
It's a
first
classic
time,
setup, boy.
it's the classic setup. Kita mo, Mario, no? It's just the
Oh,
Canva. Ito lang
yeah,
nakikita
yeah,
ko.
yeah. But I see your
Hmm.
tabs, but it's fine.
What? You only see one, right?
Anyway, your bookmarks, but it's fine.
I don't care. It's safe. Wala
Anyway,
namang ano dyan.
anyway.
Bigla mo ko na-conscious ako bigla. Pero ano na sa tabs ko?
Ngayon, wala ba?
Link to social media. Wala.
Wala.
Content creation. Wala, bro.
Ah,
Best men's ano to eh.
Fair
Winter
facts.
clothing. Okay, we're PB. Oy. Oy, no PBYT. Ano
Hindi na
yan?
PPYT na yan.
Ano
Yun.
yan? Anyway, you wanna go first? Check ko lang. Yung list ko kasi
Just go
nasa notes ko
alternating,
eh.
bro.
Oo nga, teka lang. Naano ko lang yung ano ko. Ayan, I have it here. Kasi kung nilabas ko dito yung listahan ko, that beats the point, di ba? Okay, Mario, ikaw muna. You wanna go first?
I
I'll go first. I'll go first.
go first, go first. I want to see
Kasi
how where I
mahirap to, bro. So
want to see where I'm at.
top 10 guards in Philippine Collegiate Basketball. Number 10. I'm, Nagets mo to sa pinag-usapan natin kanina. I have to put my boy, the man they call Titing Manalili. So si
Mhm.
Titing Manalili is a all-around guard. Sadly, hindi siya nakalaro sa NCAA last season. But I've seen what he could do sa juniors. Nag-MVP, nag-finals MVP si Manalili. He is proving himself as one of the best guards right now sa Phil Oil. Granted, Phil Oil yun, pero sky's the limit for Manalili. All around, could score, could rebound, could pass definitely kasi Mosi is known for his scoring, no? Especially yung mga highlights na kumakalat sa Facebook and on YouTube and also TikTok. And yeah, that's why I believe ako kay Manalili. He is a top 10 guard for this one, at least entering 2025, entering the upcoming seasons for NCAA and both UAP.
Yeah.
Sa'yo.
On my end, I don't have anybody who hasn't played in the NCAA or the UAAP at
Okay,
least.
that's your
So,
ano. Medyo
this
loose
is
naman
just
yung term
that was my own
natin.
standard na, yes, they're
Ayaw
playing well in
mo.
oil, yung mga ganun. Pero I need to have seen them play in that league already before anything.
Okay.
So, my number 10 is Mr. Paeng Are.
Paeng.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Nasa
Yes,
honorable mention kasi
sir.
Paeng.
For me, in the NCAA right now, the best scoring, pure scoring ha, the best pure scoring guard in the NCAA, Paeng Are, can make a shot from outside, inside, doesn't matter. Maliit lang siya, he's a smaller guy, but he can make any shot possible. Paeng Are is my type of guy. And the future is bright for San Sebastian with Paeng there, man.
Mario, nalala mo yung mga pinapuro natin sa Pinoy Liga. Nagkakataon na doon tayo ng mga basket
Yeah,
games. Tapos doon si Paeng Ari. So I'm
Are,
like,
bro.
galing to ni Paeng Ari ah.
Guys,
Mga
sobrang
random
laki.
games na napapanood namin in the
That's my
morning.
guy. That's
Okay,
my guy.
number 9. Another Letran guard, Jimboy Estrada. Jimboy, I've seen him what he has done with St. Clair. Uh, again, parang same mold sa Titing Manalili, is just he's older. Si Estrada mas polished, mas pro ready. If you ask me, he could already, if you ask me, pwede na mag MPBL yan, maybe earn 1 to 2 years of playing time there and bago
PBL
siya
na siya.
No, I'm saying na after all this collegiate stuff is done. Pahinog lang siya maybe 1 year sa MPBL. Alam ko yung sinasabi mo, Mario, yung MPBL na when they allowed NCAA players, diba? Nung mga pandemic,
Yeah,
blah,
yeah,
blah,
yeah.
blah, na pinalaro sila. So, for me, Jimboy Estrada could shoot, could drive, three-level scorer, could defend as well. Not much holes in his game. Kaya nilagay ko shot number 9. Pero for him to get over the hump, dito sa listahan natin, is that they have to bring Letran back to at least
Letran.
the Final
Letran
Four.
back to
Letran
Letran.
expectations, which is to win a
Yeah.
championship. Until then, ito lang muna. Pero believe talaga ako kay Jimboy. He's proved himself in Naasku. And I've seen what he can do.
Bro, Letran's lineup is strong as hell, you know.
Di
Like
ba?
you
Lakas ang
have
Letran, bro. Lakas
Pahao, you
Letran.
have him, you have
Sino Omega? Di ba
Onye,
Sino Omega nandun din?
Mark Omega, di ako sure. Di ba
Di
at
ba?
Altas? Pero di ako sure.
No,
Baka
he
lumipat.
transferred. Alam ko he transferred eh. Anyway,
And then you will have what's his name? You have Kevin Santos, you have
loaded
um
sila. Loaded
no, then
talaga.
yung Letran, bro. Coaching na lang problema dyan, pero
Pero
naayos
ano
naman.
sir, medyo dark horse ang Letran for 101, no? We're entering season 101. They
Yeah,
are
of course.
underrated for season 101. All right, number
Yeah.
9.
Number 9 is Tony Inot. I
Oh,
have
the man
Inot.
na kabaliktran yung pangalan. Tony
Guys,
Inot. Okay.
Tony Inot is a good shooter, drives the ball very well. Working on his assists, on his passing, pero yung defense niya medyo maganda kay Tony Inot. He,
Mm,
in my opinion, CSB can only reach what they want to reach if Tony Inot plays at his best level. He is that horse. It's not Allen Liwag, if you ask me. Allen Liwag is a good player, but he will always provide. It's Tony Inot who I think is
really?
important.
Ah,
Yeah, bro, for me,
okay.
it's Tony. Tony kasi there are days when Tony doesn't want to play, but when Tony wants to play, good luck, man. Tony's a pretty good player. He plays for SGA, man. And I understand Coach Charles is a coach there, pero Tony Inot is pretty good.
Yeah. Ito medyo debatable yung number 8 ko. Hirap ako dito. Man.
Ang Inot?
Man, I have Tony. Mamaya ko na ano. I have Tony. Yung number 8 ko lang. Shit, bro. I have to put
Oh, I'm worried about this, man.
mahirap.
I'm
I'm
worried. What,
super torn till this. Meron ako usually.
who are you putting out here?
Letter J. Letter
No, no way.
O.
No way.
No, I gotta put Joric Bautista. Joric Bautista.
Ah,
I
okay.
was choosing between Joric or John Abate, pero it's not looking good for John Abate. I mean, individually wise, he's great, playing well in the summer. It's just you really can't defend that UE team no matter what you say, no? He's gonna
Yeah.
get dragged down along with that team.
Yeah.
So, Joric Bautista, they've been winning. They beat UST.
Yes.
FEU looks like they're handling the VJ pre uh, leaving for UP pretty well so far. Again, Phil Oil pa lang naman is the summer tournaments, but so far they look good. Joric Bautista has been shooting at a good clip based dun sa mga numbers na nakita ko on the Phil Oil stats and also in Asia Basket. I was there to witness what he has
Yeah.
done in short spurts kasi Team A nila di masyado nilalaro dun sa Asia Basket.
Yeah. Paneo lang
But
naman.
Joric Bautista has
Most of
been yeah, and alam naman natin, he's a microwave scorer, di ba Mario? Joric Bautista, once he sees that ball enter, dire-diretso yan. You're gonna expect 4-5 straight three-pointers maybe or made buckets. Ateneo
yeah.
killer last season. What else can you? He took the mantle of that LJ Gonzalez. Remember, like Ateneo
Yeah.
couldn't win against FEU
Yeah,
even in
LJ
the last
made
season.
Yeah, because LJ went off every time.
Before no, wala na si LJ last season eh. So
Hindi,
Joric
yung
took on that
yung
mantle na what LJ
the one
left,
before
si
it, the
Joric
year
yung
before.
naging ano. So for
Yeah.
me, that deserves a spot in the best guards in Philippine collegiate basketball, and I'm sure you guys will have a different bottom 3. Comment nyo lang muna below before we complete this list. Mario.
Yeah. This is where I have Jimboy Estrada. I think
Okay. Number
Jimboy-
8 mo si Jimboy. Okay.
Yes, I think he's better than Tony, and I think he's better than Paeng because of his experience in the pros. The
Mm-mm.
way I think he's smarter than both Tony and Paeng. I think in terms
I
of
don't
yung
mind.
IQ,
Yeah, yeah.
mas matalino siya. I think he's a bit more clutch as per se. And again, same as what you said kanina, I think if Letran needs to get to that Final Four in the championship, has to be to Jimboy Estrada.
I understand. Number
This
7
is
ko
where the
is
list gets fun.
the number 7 ko is Tony Inot. For me, Tony Inot, I guess same reasons as Mario na umabot ng finals. Sadly, they just would you say they choked against Mapua or Mapua was just more composed?
Bro,
Would you say it was a
Mapua had
choke?
Clint Escamis and Chris Hubilia. You had random hitting four 3-point shots, man. It wasn't a choke. I think Mapua was just very well built.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. But Tony Inot, all-around guard. In a way, same mold as Jimboy. Pero feel ko mas, I don't know, it's a personal opinion, I feel like Tony's better than Jimboy. But it could, kung iba lang gising ko the next week, the next
Yep.
day, it could have
I
been,
see it.
you can swap them. Actually, guys, ito yung first 3-4 picks na hindi kami masyado nagbabutt-head si Mario. Kasi, especially sa guards. Usually sa guards kami hindi talaga
There's so many
ma-match.
guards. Eh.
Pero so far, okay. Kasi guards, it's the hardest, di ba?
The
So,
fact
for
this
me,
man
Tony
doesn't
Ino,
have Paeng Are on there is
yeah, I
nuts.
don't have Paeng. That's a spoiler alert. I don't have him here, but I have him dun. Kung magagawa man tayo ng honorable mention, nandun siya sa honorable mention ko, along with John Abate. So, honorable mention.
Honorable mention. My
And also
11.
Cyril Gonzalez Mapua version in the honorable mention.
Yeah, Cyril's pretty good.
Yeah, Cyril Mapua, not Cyril UP. Wala Cyril
Yeah, yeah,
UP.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wala,
Iba yung Cyril UV.
iba yun. Okay, 7. Mo.
Oh boy, I'm so excited for this one.
Oh.
Number 7
Sino
is
7 mo?
Ian Espinosa.
Ayan
Woo!
Espinosa! Woo!
Boy,
He's in my honorable mention, by the way.
I'm doing this right now. Ian
Ayan
Espinosa in
Espinosa!
Asia Basket has turned into what Ateneo needs. Okay. Guys, everybody knows this. I'm not the biggest Ian Espinosa fan. Pero grabe yung improvement ni Ian if you ask me. He's becoming the point guard who Coach Tab needs for Ateneo, and this could be a biased
He's
pick.
like
I
a
don't really give a
better
fuck.
Eman Monfort, bro. Like,
Yeah,
this is
like,
parang mas magaling na Eman Monfort. Same build! But
yeah.
mas
Problema mo lang
reliable talaga
is,
si Ayan Espinosa eh.
yung problema mo lang is medyo maliit si Ian.
Eh,
Pero,
that's yung Eman Monfort. Pero mas matangkad siya
yeah,
kay Eman
aside
Monfort.
from that, nah, bro. Like, it's
Oo.
fine.
Ayan
Okay,
Espinosa. Okay, that's the first curveball. Nasa ano ko siya eh.
yeah,
Nasa
Ian,
Yeah, he's in my honorable mention. Pero hindi ako ano di tawag dito. I won't react violently because I feel like he deserves a spot here. But
nah, bro,
yun, I mean,
to be honest,
mm.
I was kind of like, okay, Ian, who's better for me? Is it Ian Espinosa or is it Joric Bautista? And
Pinag-isipan ko rin yan. Pinag-isipan ko rin kanina yan eh.
I think with the leap Ian's taken, I think it's Ian. I think it's Ian.
I don't know, Joric also took a leap eh. I watched FEU Phil Oil games kasi random lang. Gusto ko lang makita how they performed. Anyway, yeah, but gets. Ayan Espinosa. Guys, pero yun yung Asia Basket performance na to understand why he's here. Especially mga Atenean fans na hindi nagpa-follow ng ibang summer tournaments, you should check out Ayan Espinosa in Asia Basket. Yung kakatapos
Yep,
lang.
100%.
Number 6, medyo nag-fall to, Ray Remogat. So, Remogat was a runner-up for MVP back in season 86. Season 86, before he transferred to UP, he was second in that race behind, I forgot who won MVP nung 86.
86? Wasn't it Precious? I know Precious.
No. Talk about MVP. I forgot who was
Malik.
MVP nung season 86. Was it Malik? KQ?
Malik, yeah.
KQ!
86?
Wait.
Ano ba
Season 86 UAP basketball MVP. It's KQ.
KQ.
It's
Okay.
KQ. So,
85.
no. I'm talking about, season 86
Yeah,
naman
no.
breakout si, where's my,
Noy.
Ayan, sorry. Yeah, so Noy Remogat has, unexpectedly struggled this summer. Medyo na-expose siya sa matchup against Lasal because, a lot of people watch that matchup and then
Yeah.
pinag-side by side pa yung stats niya beside Jacob Cortez. I'm not saying na I just base it on that one game, pero it's all the accumulation of the UP games I have seen. Ray Remogat, special talent, pero he's still adjusting to the Coach Gold system na hindi na siya yung focal point na kasi doon sa UE before, Coach Jack is like, Ray, Noy, ikaw na bahala.
Get a
Ikaw na
bucket.
bahala.
Yeah.
Ganun yung nangyari.
Noy, get a bucket. That's it. That's a
Noy,
basketball.
get a bucket. Noy, feed mo si Precious. Noy, hanapin mo si Gani. That was it nung
Yeah.
UE. Pero ito, he has to learn how to play with other stars, which takes, as basketball fans, alam natin na it's not that easy to just plug and play a high usage guard like Remogat that needs the ball. Maraming high usage guards in ng UP. So, hopefully maayos na yan by season 88. 88 na diba? Yeah, season 88. So, he's number 6 for me. Ikaw?
Same.
Okay, tama tayo.
I have him same at number 6. Same exact reasons. The only reason I
Mhm.
have him higher than the rest of these guys is because I know how good Noy is. Alam ko kung gaano siya magkagaling.
Yeah.
Pero in terms of
Galing
what
si
we've seen
Remogat.
so far, honestly, if I'm being honest, I had him a bit higher nung una. When I was
I
ranking
had to move him back. I had to bring him down.
Yeah. I had him at like 3 or 4, I think. And then after a while, I was
There's a
like, nah,
three.
I think
Pero
he's
Wait lang,
gotta
wait
go
lang.
a bit lower. He's gotta go a bit lower. So that's where I have it. But still a very good guard. Something UP fans should be excited for this upcoming year. I'm hoping this year, last year kasi when before the UAAP season started, Nico and I held this one person per team i-interviewin namin,
Oh yeah,
kakamustahin.
let's try doing that this year
Everything.
again.
So
Sayang no. I
hopefully
think
we do
there
it
are like one or
again. And
two teams. May isang taga NU lang, 'di ba? I think it was NU and we got VJ
NU,
Prep pa nga naalala mo no, for FEU. Si VJ yung nakuha
yeah,
natin.
VG pa yung nakuha natin noon. Chris
Oh,
Coach Ateneo. It was Gani for you.
Adamson. I think yeah,
Alam
it's
mo ba?
Adamson FEU.
Tay.
Hindi tayo nakakuha for FEU Adamson.
Yeah. But yeah, hopefully we can do
At
something like that
yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah. I think yeah.
It's kind of exciting kasi now you'll hear the insights based on these people are actually about to play. Di na sila sideline. They're about to play na talaga. So it's gonna be fun.
Si Noy yung magiging UP ano natin. He said na kuya kailan tayo ulit mag-podcast. Sabi ko kasi ikaw Noy kapag ano na
Hey, that's
magsa-start na
exciting.
yung yeah,
Yeah.
siya na yung ano natin. Yung UP rep
Top five.
for a preview. Gusto mo si Noy at si Gani. Pagsabay natin silang dalawa eh.
Nagsabay pa natin yung dalawang UE dati.
Si Maga na rin. Si Maga di na maglalaro this season. Anyway, number 5, mine is Kian Baklaan. Kian
What?
Baklaan, I have my reasons. Kian Baklaan, again, ang ganda ng summer niya this year. 1-2 punch with Cortez. Pero the reason why it's number 5 is because the 4 above him are champions. They've
Oh,
went
man.
through, 'di ba? Mario, alam mo to, I've been so consistent with
Yeah, you
have you
have.
won? And these are lead
Wow.
guards. Napa-champion nila tong top 4, yung top 4 ko. Napa-champion yung
Oh,
team nila.
man.
So
Oh, man.
Kian, just because of that, Kian is number 5. And
Oh,
this is a
man.
personal it's not a knock on Kian. I love this guy. He's killed a lot of teams in this summer. Uh he's worth than a lot of he's better than some professionals playing in Ligang Labas. I would prefer to
Yeah.
get Kian Baklaan than an old professional to have him play in my Ligang Labas team. But again, Baklaan can score, can facilitate, slice through the defense whenever he wants to. Kung trip niya, sige, kakainin ko kayo lahat. But he's at number 5 mainly because yun nga, hindi siya champion. Hindi pa siya champion.
Bro, that got me. That's wild. I do not.
Tingnan mo na may
That's
top 4 ko. Tingnan mo na may top 4 ko after. O sige,
I know where
5,
your
5.
top four is. We should have the same top
Yeah,
five.
pero yun nga. Pero again, consistent talaga ako. Never ako nag-waver na, napa-champion na ba ang team mo? Hindi mo pa napa-champion, sorry.
Yeah,
You
bro.
have not
I
tasted.
think my thing is, bro. Yes, he wasn't able to make NU champions, but man, did you see who NU surrounded him with? I
Pero
would have liked.
pero again, ito naman yung ano natin. That's the beauty of these rankings. I'm sure you guys could also make your comments on also who you
Okay.
where Kian belongs. So we'd love to see your top 10 as well. Oh, ikaw.
My number 5 is Fortsky Padrigao. I have Fortsky at
Oh, he
number.
fell. He fell. Okay.
Fortsky did fall for me mainly just because, man, now that he's had to play with somebody like Nick Caballero, you don't really know where Fortsky kind of goes at this point.
Mm-mm.
He is still a very good guard. I think he's still one of the better shooters, better playmakers sa league na to. But then as of right, nung last season with UST, he looked a little lost, if you ask me.
He looked
Medyo,
lost. Bad
looked a
shooting.
little lost pa.
30% lang
Yeah.
ata.
And
Pati sa fail oil,
I
ganun.
haven't seen him during any of the, well, I haven't really watched much of the summer league games except for yung talagang highlight matchup. So I haven't really seen Fortsky a lot. So that's why I have him a bit lower. Wouldn't be surprised kung umangat siya. Pero the fact na he didn't really play the best last season with UST is why I have him at number 5.
Okay. My number 4, Fortsky Padrigao. So, Padrigao, I was really debating this, Mario, na lagi ko na lang kasi Fortsky sa 5. Pero nakita ko kasi what he has done with season 85 with Ateneo. You could say na it's the coach tab effect. You could say na, may Ange naman siya. May Dave Ildefonso siya nun. May mga whoever weapons he had. And those are very valid points. Pero sometimes hindi natin matatanggal yung bias natin sa ibang players. So I have it at number 4, si Padrigao. If he had a different coach, he could be higher. Is it because hindi match yung playstyle niya with sina Nick and the others? Could be. A lot of different reasons na hindi natin ma-pinpoint. But he's a top 5 guard for me. Number 4, Padrigao. He is actually struggling right now in Phil Oil. bad shooting right now. He's in the 30%. That's not what you want from your guard.
That's what the point
Only
guard, yeah.
averaging 3.5 assists per game. But then again, these are lineups na hindi final. These are lineups that they're experimenting. But if this happens again sa upcoming UAP season, then baka justified nga yung 4 to 5 range talaga. And baka he was just nabuhat lang siya na siguro ng Ateneo system. Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah,
Who
you're
knows?
not
Yeah. Number
just to be
4.
fair. Oh, my number 4. I'm kind of surprised you have him higher than 4. This guy I'm gonna put at 4.
Sino?
I'm surprised he's high at 4. I have Harold Alarcon at 4.
Oh!
I have
Okay. Yeah,
I
okay.
have Harold Alarcon, and this is
Yeah,
mainly
yeah.
because I
Okay.
do believe he's a very good player, but he's never been the main guy. I don't think
Okay.
Harold ever been the main guy on any of UP's championships. When they
Yeah,
won
tama naman. Tama
against
naman.
Ateneo,
Tama naman.
when they won against Ateneo, the main guy at that point was JD and Malik. When they won against DLSU, it was JD and QMB. Right? I don't think
And
Harold
Francis, and Francis.
had,
Francis was the reason
yeah,
why they won
I
game 3.
forgot he made the shot. I
He
forgot
was the one that kind
he
of killed
made
Lasal. Oh.
yeah, DLSU. Not wrong. But
Oh.
like, yeah, so I have him at number 4 because I haven't seen him yet as the main guy. And this year, I'm not sure if it's him or Noy who's gonna be the main guy, but he should be taking a lot more of the offense.
Mm-mm.
But we know how good Harold Alarcon is, man. We know how good he can pop off
Yeah,
for
yeah,
30 if he wants. It just really depends on now. This time you lost QMB, you lost JD. How well do you actually play? That's why I can't put him as high as everybody else.
Same. We have seen Harold Alarcon from last season. He's gonna give you 2 points one game, the next 30. And at
Yeah.
this point, hindi na pwede mangyari yun. Hindi na pwede mangyari yun.
He's Christian
Kasi
David.
the UAP is really stacked. Hindi pwede yung mga ganun. Tapos ikaw
Yeah.
yung first option, bro. Hindi pwede yun.
Yeah, you gotta play. You
But
gotta
again,
play.
di ba? I mean, the
But we
better
know
you
he's
are, the
good,
higher
man.
the expectations.
Yeah, that's as it should be, man.
As it should be.
I don't think Harold's going abroad. I think Harold's gonna play in the PBA.
PBA.
Harold's a
Yeah.
top 5 pick.
That's a top 5 pick for sure.
Okay.
Anyway, number 3
Very
ko Harold Alarcon for the same reasons. Mas maganda lang talaga yung ano ni Harold performance ngayon. Like, the reason I have Alarcon over Fortsky is because Harold has been at least been steadier than Fortsky. His numbers are better than Fortsky. And yun lang naman. Yun lang talaga yung difference. Same reasons as Mario. He is kind of the guy right now. Nagde-defer din si Remogat kay Alarcon based from the games I've seen them in. But again, in order to reach the 1 and 2, he has to be consistent AF in the upcoming season at hindi na pwede yung maybe below 10 points a game. Siguro pag naka-8 ka, maybe with 8 assists and 7 rebounds, sige, pagbibigyan namin. Pero Harold doesn't really does that. He doesn't do 8, 7, and 7 or 8, 5, and 5. So, number 3.
Jacob Cortez. I got
Jacob.
Jacob
Okay.
at number 3 merely because he
Who's your
led
number 2?
Santa.
Who am I missing?
Well, to be fair, man, you have Kian at 5.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, pala. No, before this PBA, I forgot about Ian Sangalang. I was like, oh, wait
Hey, bro,
lang.
but
May
bro, you
Oh, yeah.
have 5.
Okay.
Jacob Cortez led San Beda to the championship. And you know how I know he led San Beda to the championship? Because this year, without Jacob Cortez, San Beda wasn't that great, man. Like when it was just Jomel Puno and sorry, I forgot the other guard's name. The guard's name, didn't look as good. UKN didn't look as good either. So Jacob, you know that he was literally that team for most of it. Second to that is, did you see this man in the friggin' matchup
UP
against you?
Kain, bro. Kumain.
Bro, this guy is smooth. He can hit any shot. He can pass the ball well. Man, he is, for me, a lot of these guys, medyo, you can put one over the other depending on the stat. But for me, Jacob, right now, if he's worked on his defense as well, Jacob is fine at number 3, merely because he can really lead the team.
Agree. Number 2, Jacob Cortez. Champion. Brought San Beda to the promised land. He keeps on getting better, proving the doubters wrong na even me, na I thought initially entering this summer, how is Cortez and Baclaan gonna mesh? Considering na medyo may similarities yung laro, but for some reason, and then I think that's just there's two guards learning how to play with one another. They have
Bro, it's literally Luka and Kyrie. It's literally Luka and Kyrie.
exactly, di ba? There were concerns how Luka and Kyrie were gonna mesh, both the ball dominant guards. Pero ito, same height yung dalawa in a way. But they are the new age Fast and the Furious if you ask me. Si Jacob and
New
Kian.
age. Hey
New
man.
age? Yeah, why? Sino bang
Hey man.
ano?
Them gym
Tandaan?
fans gonna come at you, bro.
Ano, no, no. Wala naman
New age
nakikinig
Fast
nun
and
sa
the
mga
Furious.
Iba ang
Baguio
Jin fans.
Inheritor brand.
Kaya nga new
Man.
age eh.
Yeah.
Jacob and Kian for me. At least in the collegiate scene. In the collegiate
Yeah.
scene, sila yung version nun. Sila yung the cool cub. Jacob
Yeah.
Cortez at number 2. 2 mo? I think I know. Sabi mo na pala kanina.
Kian Baclaan's number two.
Yeah. Why? Why do you have him like
Kian
hindi
is
yun
number
no
two. I
judgment.
think
Like I just
Kian
wanted
is
to
better than Jacob. I think
Oh.
Kian is better. And this is not to be
Mm-mm.
as rude or
Yeah, it's not a
whatever.
rule. It's
But
just
Kian
for oh lang. So, yeah.
but Kian's been in the UAAP his whole career, man.
Yeah.
Kian's
Tama,
been
tama.
in the UAAP his whole career, and he's proven himself to be the best, one of the best guards in the league this entire time. There's never been a day where you're like, oh damn, Kian Baclan's dog. Nah, you haven't had that moment. And until Jacob Cortez can prove na for me na kaya niya sa UAAP, yung literal na UAAP, hindi yung Summer League na yan. The Summer Leagues, yes, that those matter. Pero to a certain extent, iba ang pressure ng UAAP Championship League versus Phil Oil, man. In the Phil Oil, that arena isn't puno. The arena isn't really puno in Phil Oil. In the UAAP, those games are gonna be puno. And Kian Baclaan has performed in those moments. And in general, I do just believe Kian is a much smarter player as of right now. Me kasi I give a lot of premium to smarts, yung IQ sa game, di
Mm.
ba? So, the way Kian plays, I think is a lot smarter, it's a lot calmer, mas gets niya yung game, mas mabagal yung laro para kanya. That's why I have Kian at number 2, pero very easily 2, 3 could be whatever, interchange.
Okay, at number 1, I have Jared. I'm kidding. Clint Escamis. Clint Escamis. Clint Escamis. Kailangan ba ito i-defend? Clint Escamis, NCAA champion, put the clamps on the best guards of the NCAA at the same time. Whenever you need a bucket, whenever you need a clutch bucket, you got Clint Escamis almost left for Korea already. Nung earlier this year, he almost
They
left.
chose JD, di ba? They just chose JD.
No. But they chose ano tawag dito? Arvin. He was supposed to go to SK from what I believe.
SK pala dapat
Clint
siya.
was supposed to go to SK Knights, but then they got pangalan ito? Juan. Si Juan yung pinili nila. And then now
Oh,
it's Arvin. So yeah, that's some story
I
na
thought it
what could have
was
been, no?
JD. I thought they were picking him and
Yeah,
JD.
Clint could have joined SK. Could have, but again, my
Yeah.
talks fell through. Baka, 'di ba? Baka maybe nakausap siya ng Mapua na give us another, like defend mo. Say, then maybe. But still, that's great for us fans na Clint Escamis is still with Mapua, makes them a contender, automatic contender.
Automatic
And
contender.
wala nang not much to prove for Escamis. He could have left after 100 to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, for those who are
And
not familiar with Clint Escamis, guys, mga UAP
no,
fans na nag-follow sa channel, watch him. Watch what he did
watch Clint,
sa
boys.
season 100.
Watch Clint. That man could start on
Same ka
3 or
rin.
4
Same ka rin.
UAAP. My number 1 is Steve Natna. Clint Escamis.
Steve! Clint
I also
Escamis.
have Clint Escamis.
Is a
Basically all
Jared.
the same reasons. And here's my thing, ha. Here's how
Oh,
I want to do this. Take Clint Escamis off of Mapua.
they're number 5. They
Where are
fall
they?
to 5 or 6. They fall
They
to the 5,
fall.
6 range.
Yeah. For me, kasi when you remove Jacob from San Beda, they were still a Final Four team.
Yeah.
So so yes, he was a major part of it, pero not to the level I think that Clint Escamis is. If Clint Escamis leaves Mapua, rebuild. It's time to rebuild. For me, higher than Kian because he's won a championship also. Uh, Clint has literally bled for a championship, right? So, and man, pogi ni Clint, man.
Ayun kayo rin number 1. Pogi ni Clint.
Pogi ni Clint. Dagdag natin yun. Ng pogi ni Clint. So, ayun. That's how it is. And my biggest surprise, just I want to bring this out there. My biggest surprise, you had Kian Baclaan at number 5, bro.
Yeah, pero
Like,
alam
I
mo naman yung
understand where you
criteria.
came
Gets mo yung
from, but
criteria, yeah.
damn. Yeah, but damn, bro, that's pretty low. But hey,
Pero
I respect.
they remove all the accolades. Sabihin natin, okay, remove all. Kian's number 2 also for me. Remove all the, I mean, in a vacuum, no? Kian's
Yeah,
number
in a
2.
vacuum.
Yeah, in a vacuum. But again, I have my own standards. Mario has his own standard. Eh kayo, Sino yung standards nyo? Feel free to comment your top
Wala kang
10
Ian
guards.
Espinosa. Wala, bro.
Ay, wait.
Di ka.
In my honorable mention, it's John Abate, Ian Espinosa, and Cyril Gonzalez Mapua version. I have to really put that Mapua
Boston.
version.
Boston.
Because Cyril nabuhayan. And maybe si Terence Fortea, not bad eh. Hindi ko siya nalagay sa honorable mention. Sabi ko na not bad yung shooting niya. Nice to see Terence
He's playing
Fortea
well daw.
healthy again.
He's playing well daw in Philoel.
Yeah, he is. And pain-free. Wala nang injury masyado si
In my honorable
Terence.
mention, in my honorable mentions, I have to put Welo Lingo. For me, Welo is an up-and-coming guard.
Yeah,
Make
honorable.
and number 2, another honorable mention for me was
Sino ba? Sino pa ba?
I forgot his name. Oh man, I forgot his name. Sorry, I
May
kind of
naalala ko
forgot.
from LPU eh, na hindi ko they have some good
Jensen
guards in
Vegas?
LPU.
O
No,
si
no,
Vince ko
no.
na. Si
No.
Basi Baclod.
No.
Baka trip mo si
Not
Baclod.
Maclod. Not Maclod, wait. Ah,
Uh,
si Gael
another one.
Montaño, bro. Gael Montaño. Not sure if familiar ka sa
Dude,
kanya, but
Giles,
he's a
forward.
guard. He's a guard, di ba? Again,
Giles?
minsan nagiging two guard siya minsan eh.
I
Kaya
think
di ko
Giles was
maalam kung
forward.
saan ilalagay si Gael Montaño eh.
I think Giles
But
forward.
yeah.
I had
Yeah,
one more.
hard to say. Hard to say.
Shucks, I'm trying to
Where to
remember
put.
who it was. Shucks, I kind of forgot who it was. I'm so sorry. Wait
Solid
lang.
din si Earl Medina, Mario, if you ask me. Earl Medina has been playing well sa Phil Oil. He's a rookie. He's a rookie.
Do
From
we
the
count
baby.
Shanti Miller as a guard?
We're gonna put him a forward. We're gonna put him forwards.
Guys, I know I said
He's used as a
earlier.
forward sa Asia.
I know I said in my earlier one na I don't include people who haven't played in the UAAP or NCAA. For Janty Miller.
Tapon mo yung criteria na yan.
Janty,
Janty!
bro!
O,
Janty!
abangan nyo guys. Wait for our top forwards in Philippine Collegiate Basketball and you'll see where I'll put Janty Miller. The ending will surprise
Janty's
you.
coming, boy! Diba? That forward list is fun because you haven't seen Kimani Ladi yet in the UAAP or
Oo nga
NCAA.
pala,
But
lalagay mo
boy,
rin yun.
I got Kimani!
Hindi pwede iwan eh, no? Hindi pwede iwan.
I got Kimani up there!
Nag-record, bro. Anyway, it took a while, but it's a fun list. I'm sure you guys will also like it. I'll see you all next time. Nico here with Mario. Wait, stop ko lang share. Nico here with Mario. This is the top guards in the Philippine collegiate basketball scene. Coming up is the forwards. Kaming dalawa ulit ni Mario since
Yeah.
UAP NCAA is not Grim's specialty.
Yeah.
But anything else, NBA
Specialty
and
naman ni Grem,
PBA.
bro.
Specialty ni Grem, Jean. And we'll have a NBA Finals preview on, what do you call this? Kailan NBA Finals preview natin? Wednesday. We're gonna try
Tomorrow.
Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah. Tomorrow, try namin sing it din.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, see you all next time. Peace.